Many HTC users experience this kind of problem where they cannot use any third-party dongle or Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack adapter because HTC audio jack adapter firmware prevents or does not support any third-party adapters or the generic one that you can buy online. This is also my problem because I lost my original dongle, so I find a solution. Luckily, I found one, so I want to share it with you guys. That has a problem saved with me. So I'll show you guys what my problem is. This accessory not supported. So what I will show you. When you play music, let's go this. Speaker even though I have this adapter. So what we're gonna do, guys, is go to Play Store and search this the laser AudioSwitch. This one. Install this. After you install that, open and then switch to headphones. Click this one and then you'll see automatically that will appear this icon. So let's try again. Speaker. So what it's actually gonna do is it forces your audio output to switch to headphones, speaker, or any other output, including USB and Bluetooth devices. So if you click this headphone, then will appear the icon. Oh, this. Then when you play music, just play music. I don't know if you can hear this. Yeah, that's it. This is applicable on any Android devices that has no 3.5mm audio jack. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.